Welcome back to Fixing Expert. Today, we're diving into the essentials of cutting laminate flooring. Whether you're tackling a DIY project or just want to understand the process better, knowing how to cut laminate flooring properly is crucial for achieving a professional finish. In this video, we'll walk you through 3 different tools you can use to cut laminate flooring in 2024, each with its own set of advantages and best use scenarios. Let's get started. Using a jigsaw. First up, the jigsaw. A jigsaw is a versatile tool that's perfect for cutting intricate shapes and curves in laminate flooring. It's ideal when you need to cut around obstacles like pipes or door frames. Step 1. Measure and mark your cut line on the laminate plank. Step 2. Secure the plank with clamps to keep it steady. Step 3. Choose a fine-toothed blade for a cleaner cut. Step 4. Slowly guide the jigsaw along your marked line, keeping the blade straight and steady. Tip: always cut with the finished side down to minimize chipping on the surface. 2. Using a circular saw. Next, let's talk about the circular saw. This tool is best for making straight cuts, especially when you need to rip long planks or cut several pieces at once. Step 1. Measure and mark your cut line. Step 2. Use a straight edge or guide to keep your cut straight. Step 3. Position the plank with the finished side facing up to reduce chipping. Step 4. Slowly guide the circular saw along the marked line, applying steady pressure. 3. Using a laminate cutter. Finally, we have the laminate cutter. This tool is specifically designed for cutting laminate flooring and is by far the easiest and safest option for straight cuts. Step 1. Position the plank in the cutter with the finished side facing up. Step 2. Align the cutting blade with your mark. Step 3. Simply press down on the handle to make a clean, precise cut. And there you have it, 3 different tools you can use to cut laminate flooring, each with its own advantages. Whether you choose the jigsaw, circular saw, or laminate cutter, remember that the key to a professional finish lies in your preparation and technique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Fixing Expert for more flooring tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy flooring!